Hello friends, welcome in Tech Jarvis. In this video, I'm gonna install Android 11 custom ROM in my Poco F1. As you already know, MIUI is very buggy and we can get the good performance in the phone with the help of custom ROM. So I'm gonna install CRDroid Android 11 custom ROM on my device. I already download the CRDroid file. Here is my CRDroid Android 11 Beryllium file, and here is the GApps for Android 11. Guys, this GApps is full 64. If you want to install the lower one, then you can go for the lower one, but I'm gonna install the full GApps on my phone. So guys, to install the custom ROM, you need to install TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to install TWRP recovery, then check the card here. So guys, put your phone into the TWRP recovery. I'm gonna power off the phone and put my phone into TWRP recovery by pressing volume up and power button simultaneously. Now my phone is boots up into TWRP recovery, as you can see here. So guys, first of all, I recommend to take a backup before perform any action in TWRP recovery. Otherwise, your phone goes into boot loop if you install any wrong file. And once you take a backup and if your phone goes into boot loop, then you can restore from here. So guys, first step is click on wipe and click on advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache system data. Do not select internal storage, otherwise the data in the internal storage will be erased. So click on swipe to wipe. Now wipe is successful. Go back. Guys, to clean install any custom ROM, format your data. This is not the necessary step. If you want to format your data, then you can. By the way, this step is the good to install any custom ROM, because in sometimes your phone goes in the encryption mode. If you want to format your data, then memory card must be in your device, or you can flash custom ROM with the help of OTG. But in this video, I'm not gonna format data because I don't have any memory card or any USB. So first of all, install CRDroid and click on swipe to confirm flash. Now custom ROM is installing, so wait. As you can see, Android version, ROM version is 7.0, Android version is 11, and security patch is 2020 11.5. Device Beryllium, manufacturer Xiaomi. Now zip is successfully installed, so go back and now install GApps, NIC apps and swipe to confirm flash. Now GApps is successfully installed. Go back. Guys, in some custom ROM you need to install DFE file, but this CRDroid already support the DFE, so no need to install DFE file. So click on reboot and click on system and click on do not install. Guys, I use this ROM for the last 16 days and the performance in this ROM is much good. Guys, my device is stuck in this mode and phone is not boots into the custom ROM. So how to solve this issue? Guys, I told you earlier, you need to format your data, and otherwise your phone goes into boot loop. This is the same condition, but we can solve or handle this issue easily. put your phone into the recovery mode by pressing volume up and power button for the 15 seconds. So guys, as you can see, internal memory is not accessible here. So click on wipe and click on format data and type yes and press here. Now data is formatting. Data format is completed. So go back. Let's check internal storage is accessible. So yes, internal storage is now accessible. So guys, click on reboot and click on reboot system and click on do not install. Guys, hopefully now phone will boot successfully in our custom ROM. Yes, as you can see, now phone is rebooting. Here is the CRDroid logo. Guys, first boot may take time, so be patient. It may take 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna fast forward video to make the video short. Now setup is complete. Enjoy the pixel experience in this CRDroid Android 11 custom ROM. Let's check the Android version. So guys, as you can see, device and version is Android 11. Guys, this ROM also supports face unlock, and here I'm gonna show you how it works. Now my face cam is added. Let's check. So guys, as you can see, it works much better than other custom ROMs. And guys, you can customize this ROM according to your needs because it supports a lot of customization, and use this ROM you will continue love it. This ROM provide a lot of customization. You can customize this ROM in any way. Guys, you can customize these buttons and it provide a gestures, and here in CRDroid setting you can customize your status bar, your quick settings, lock screen, navigation. For example, here system navigation, here is the gestures, navigation gestures. Okay guys, let me show you the some customization. Guys, you can customize this ROM as per your need. It provides a lot of customization. You can customize in your own way. So guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.